Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you about how to build a responsive page using CSS grid, variables in CSS and media query. In my HTML I have two images here and two text box. I display it initially grid and let's see how is my CSS, how it look my CSS. I say that I use variables in CSS. What are variables in CSS? Variables are some elements that you can put them in root, or you can put locally. I put it in root, and after you can apply in selector. I put here in root a lot of variable. For example, here how declare this variable: two lines, background color and value. Before the name of variable, when you define a variable in CSS, you put two lines, no? Two line text color, for text color and value, this value. For font size, I put font size and value. Two line for gap, two line image radius. Okay, I put a lot of variable, and this variable I will apply where I want to do this in my code. For example, in container. In container, I would like to have a gap, var of gap. When you apply, you put var and the name of gap like parameter and the name of variable. No, my gap is where I have this variable here, 1.5 rem. That means 1 rem have 16 pixels. 16 plus 8 pixel equal 24 pixel. Distance, the gap is 24 pixel, and in my container I put this distance. After, for button, for my button I put font size with this value 1 rem. Also padding, button padding, I looking for button padding I have here. Now these are variables. When you want to put in selector, put these values. But after this, for create a responsive page, you should to make some media query for all type of dispositive, for phone, tablets or desktop, because when you work with phone, here for example container should to have some dimensions. When you work with desktop, other dimension. And how it works, this media query for responsive design, you put around media and parameter maximum width. Maximum width is the dimension of dispositive. Here I have max width 768. This is a tablet, and on the tablet I put in the root this value. Here I have font size 0.9. That means just on the tablet I have this font size, because default I have 1 rem. Do you see here? No. After, on the tablet I will overwrite the element. You can use this variable, and also you can take all selector and add other value. For example, here where I have minimum width and maximum width 1068, that is a tablet, and max media query max 768, this is a phone. And for this phone I modify this root when I am on the phone with this web page. The browser will apply this CSS from root and from this media query, and I will make a demonstration later in this tutorial, and you will see how is this modification. Okay. Generally and in a simple way for learning how to create a responsive design, initially you create general CSS, and after with this media query you set a new value for this selector when you are on the tablet, desktop, or phone. Okay, now I have here also a script in JavaScript, a simple script for look some text when I am on the phone, tablet, or desktop. And I have this condition: if width, I put a variable width, this width take the width of my windows, but my windows without scroll, without other elements. It's just what I see when I open the page. This is inner width properties, and this width is inner width of windows. And if this windows, his width is greater than 1068, I will display this desktop. If width is greater 768, I will display tablet, and else I will display phone, because I have here this divs. This page is for desktop, for tablet, and for phone, and initially they are display none, but with JavaScript I will display when I am on the phone will appear, when I'm the tablet also, and on desktop. Now let me to make a simple demonstration for this responsive design. Now I am on desktop, the width, and when I am on desktop I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This page is for desktop. I am here in JavaScript with my width greater 1068, and I display this page is for desktop. I display the div with this content. Also I put here a console.log to show me the dimension of inner width. Here doesn't appear. 2 seconds. Console.log width. Let me to put here console.log of width. Is my keyboard, mother keyboard. Okay, console 1074. This is the width of my desktop now, and here I write if width is greater than 1068 is greater. That means I am on the desktop. This page is for desktop. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 um, column. This is minimum width 1068. This is media for my desktop, media query. My container have 4 columns in grid template columns. Do you see here? Also background color is desktop BG. Desktop BG is green yellow. Desktop BG is green yellow. It's correct. I am on desktop. Now I will make it tiny, and I have now this page is for desktop. This page is for tablet. I am on the tablet now with background purple. Tablet BG. Okay, this is no sorry, with those 2 columns. This is with 2 columns. Do you see here? And the background color tablet BG. Tablet BG is purple, is for tablet. Okay, now I make for phone. Now I am for phone. Do you see here, when you are on the tablet you have 2 columns. When you are on the phone you have a mobile background pink, okay, and 1 line. Column, no, 1 column. 1 column, grid template columns 1. Okay, and background color mobile BG, that is pink. And if I want to see, okay, what is here, show me 0, but it's not 0. 732. Max width is 768. Okay, again phone 1 line, 1 column. Tablet 2 columns. Desktop 4 columns. That was all for today. I hope you understand how to create a responsive page using CSS, grid, variables and media query. All the best. Have a nice day.